and welcome back to Garfin's creation. Today we'll be making this prawns lonvas along with some fresh cashews. This is the best time to make it when the cashews are in season. So let's start with the recipe. Listed all the ingredients here and you'll find it in the description box as well. So to start first, this is the fresh cashews that I'll be using in the recipe today. I have sliced 2 of the fresh cashews, 1 small onion that has been sliced, 1 stem of curry leaf, a little of fresh coriander leaves, half a cup of fresh coconut, 3/4 cup of prawns. The prawns head and tail have been removed. This is 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of East Indian bottle masala, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, salt as per taste. We need to make a paste of the fresh coconut, so I'll just grind it with some water and get it back. So this is it, and along with this I'll also be using a little of tamarind pulp. Just soak this in a little hot water and then extract the juice from it. To start making the gravy, we'll just heat in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, we'll crush the garlic and add it to it and just fry it for a few seconds. Don't let the garlic get brown. Then next into it, we'll be adding the sliced onions. After adding the onions, we'll also be adding the curry leaves into it. We'll just fry this till the onions are a little bit brown. You can also add some white small onions into this recipe. They are also called as kandris and they are available in the market at the same time of this year. Now these onions are got a little brown, so next into this we'll be adding the East Indian bottle masala. If you do not have this bottle masala, you can add mixed masala or some fish curry masala too. Next into this, we'll be adding the ground coconut paste. Mix that and then rinse the mixie jar with some water. Just rinse the mixie jar and add about half a cup of water. You can adjust the water as per the gravy thickness you would like. So I just added a little water now and we'll be adding a little more too. After adding the water, we'll just give this a nice mix. You can adjust the water quantity as per your liking. After this, we'll also be adding in the cashews that have been sliced. You can also add in the small onions at this time now. We will now let this gravy cook well. All the flavors of the cashews will get infused into this gravy. We will let this gravy boil at least twice. And then next to this, we'll be adding the prawns and the salt too. Give this a quick mix and now we'll let the prawns cook. We will let this gravy simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll keep stirring that in between. This is our version of making this prawns lonvas with this fresh cashews. If you have been making this prawns lonvas in a different way, do share your recipe below. It would be great sharing your version too. Now this gravy has been simmering for some time. The prawns are cooked well and the gravy has got a nice flavor of the cashews and you can really smell it. Lastly, we'll be adding the tamarind pulp and just a little bit of fresh coriander. Mix that as well and just let it come to one more boil. And with that, our prawns lonvas with fresh cashews is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some nice steamed rice. I hope you like this version of this prawn lonvas with the fresh cashews. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.